we're going to be doing a birthday party for my dog, Luna, and it was her birthday 3 weeks ago, so we're going to be doing it today.
She's 1 year old.
Yep, she's 1 year old.
Okay. Let her over here.
Let the beast come out. She's a sweetie.
Baby, time to sing to Luna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luna. Happy birthday to you. She's 1 year old. She's 1 year old. She's 1 year old. She's 1 year old. Yay, Looney.
She's all confused, like, what is going on?
She's eating her treats nice and slow. Jojo gobbled hers up in like a split second.
Yeah.
There goes Bud walking in front of the camera again. Jojo, you already had your turn. She got a squirrel, a cookie, a birthday cake. All from the bark box.
Squishy, squishy, squishy. Luna's almost done. Yep, she's almost done. Looney, this is for you. Looney, this is for you. Here.
Luna, I don't want your butt in the shot. You just want your butt. Just your butt. Wagging your stubby tail.
Oh, she's happy. She's a happy dog.
She's a happy dog. Just a happy dog.
Baby's cutie pie. Baby, what are you doing? Yeah, she's happy.
And today's JoJo's birthday, but we already had her party.
Yeah.
She finished her treats.
Yeah.
They're both happy dogs. They get all the treats.
Hi, baby. Hi, bud. Hi. Hi.
What you get, Luna?
A cake. Yeah.
Try to get her to turn around the other way so I can
Looney, come here.
get a picture of her face and not her butt.
Luna.
Well, not over there, but get her to turn around.
Luna. Look. Right here. I'm gonna put some.
Have her go buy the birthday cake.
You can kind of see her now. Just gotta turn it this way. Turn it this way. Turn it this way.
Move the big butt.
She's a really happy dog.
She is a really happy dog, Sissy.
She's a really happy dog.
Happy birthday, Luna.
Okay, time to go in the cake.
Hi, Looney. Yes.
Mama,
Hi.
Happy birthday. What up?
what's on your pan?
Probably dog slobber.
Yeah.
Better give me my bun.
Ew. That's a big goober.
Yeah.